Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an interesting and informative video because I will be reviewing something that I've been trying since a while now, and this is going to be this one. This is the Just Herb Biotin with herbs, and I'm going to be talking all about it and also showing you guys how you can use it to get the health benefits that you require for your everyday life. So let's start with our video. So in our everyday life, we women actually suffer through a lot of issues in terms of taking care of our hair. For example, stress, pollution, hormonal imbalance, nutrition, and even the lack of time. But I think a very important part is that just using shampoos, serums, and certain things on our hair will not really improve the quality over time. And because there are a lot of issues that are imbibed in how our body works, which affects our hair, so it's important that we take care of those issues in the first place. So for exactly that reason, Just Hair has actually come out with their Biotin, which is with herbs, and it is a 100% plant-based supplement for you to get beautiful and gorgeous hair right at your home. This Biotin supplement gives you a natural, safe, as well as effective way of nourishing your hair from within. This also helps in improving the thickness and volume of your hair as well as reduce hair fall. And I'm pretty sure that each of us has been suffering from some or the other issue. So let me take you into how this thing is so effective and how you can get beautiful, gorgeous hair. A lot of supplements which are available don't really cater to a specific gender, and so it can be kind of confusing as to do we want to go for it or not. But getting a supplement which is safe, which is natural, which is 100% plant-based exclusively for women is something I was definitely looking forward to. And honestly, I have been suffering through a lot of issues, not just because of external things like pollution, but also due to internal things like hormonal imbalance and nutrition and other things as well. I think that is the reason that I picked up the Just Hair Biotin with herbs. And the best part is it is 100% plant-based. It is sugar-free, gluten-free, and dairy-free, and has no artificial coloring, no artificial flavoring, preservative free, as well as GMO free. So I think you have everything under one small packet. Now this one retails for Rs 6.99 for 125 grams, and I think it's a good packaging. It is something that you can store easily and also use it on a regular basis. This one consists of many natural ingredients. For example, ginseng, which is a great herb, very nutritious. You also have amla, which is always great for your body as well as your hair. You also have bamboo shoot, fenugreek seeds, and whatnot. You have a list of ingredients back here, so it will tell you exactly what each ingredient is for in this supplement. There's nothing better than using something natural which is good for your health overall and you do not have any side effects, because a big issue for me, especially into taking any kind of supplements or any kind of powder or anything of that sort, is I'm always worried about whether it's going to have some kind of a side effect on my body, because we women have so many things going on in our body, especially with our hormones, especially with our cycles, that it can be a little tough if something works against it. But thankfully this does not, because this is 100% plant-based and you have ingredients which are natural and do not have any chemicals in it. I'm just going to show you guys how you prepare it and have it yourself. Now this particular serving has to be taken 1 per day, and that's it. That's the dosage that you're recommended. Also, this is not for curing a particular disease or anything of that sort. This is for improving the quality of your hair and also making sure that your hair gets the nutrients that it requires for its health and thickness and volume. So if you are having a very particular medical condition of your hair, please do not take it as a cure. Also, in case you are suffering through some chronic diseases or some particular disease, I would always recommend you to discuss it with your physician before taking the dosage. Now coming to the actual serving and how it is, honestly the best part about this particular Biotin with herbs is that it comes in a tangy anardana flavor, which is a pomegranate flavor. And honestly that makes it so much easier to have, because any kind of powder supplements which are for good for our body or hair, when you take it with water or milk or anything of that sort, you generally feel it just tastes really off, or it tastes really sweet because there's sugar added. But this one does not have any sugar, it does not taste sweet, but it has a very nice tangy light flavor. It doesn't taste of anything bad or really weird, which makes it easier to take in a regular basis, because I know at the end of the day the taste also matters, because it makes you either very favorable about it or not. So I think that anardana flavor is a perfect way to take it, so you don't have to worry about the extra sugar intake, because this does not have any sugar at all. Overall, this is a product that I would recommend all of you girls to go for, because whatever the age group you belong to, this is going to be very helpful for you. And also because it is natural, it is ayurvedic, it also has some great ingredients. This is something you should definitely take it. Also, I think the size makes it such a great purchase. I would highly recommend you to get it. You can get it in the website. I will link it down below for you, so you can go ahead, click on it and get this for yourself and your other family members as well. Great part is this is Just Her, so it is just for you and me and all the women around, and that makes it super special, right? So that's it for today's video about the Just Her Biotin supplement for your hair, which is going to make your hair all smooth and silky, as you guys can see. So that's it. Hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because that way you help me make more content. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media channels, as well as follow Just Hair on Instagram as well. We have an array of great products in their range. That's it. Hope you are at home and all safe with your family, friends and everyone. So please stay safe, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Ciao.